Dear students, once again welcome to the lesson Is Matter Around Us Pure? So far we are discussing types of solutions, mixtures and its properties and the methods used to separate the components in the mixtures. In the previous class we have seen types of pure substances. One is element. Already we have discussed. Am I right? What is an element? Yes. An element is the basic unit of the pure substances also. It cannot be divided. And types of elements, metals and non-metals, and its properties we have gone through. Today we can see the another type of pure substances, that is compound. Okay, what is a compound? It is defined as combination of two or more elements in fixed proportion. Okay. There is a similarity between compound and mixtures. What it is? Mixtures also combination of two or more substances. Okay, now let us see. Here you can see H2O. It is none other than water molecule. Formula you know, it is H2O. Here two elements are there. One is hydrogen and another one is oxygen. Both are non-metals. Okay. Here water is formed from hydrogen and oxygen in chemical method but with fixed proportion. So, when writing the formula of water, we are writing H2O. Suppose you can ask a question, what about if I am writing H2O2? Here also hydrogen and oxygen is there, but the formula is H2O2. Here, the fixed proportion for water is only hydrogen should be 2, oxygen should be 1. Suppose if 2 atoms of hydrogen with 2 atoms of oxygen, that formula is H2O2. It is not a water molecule, it is hydrogen peroxide. So, to get a compound, there should be a fixed proportion for elements. Okay, water I said 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. What about carbon dioxide? 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. Am I right? So like the many examples we can say, and carbon monoxide CO, sulfur dioxide SO2 or nitric acid HNO3. That means 1 hydrogen atom, 1 nitrogen atom and 3 oxygen atom. Suppose if their proportion is different, means it will be another compound. Okay. Now let us see the difference between the compound and mixtures. One difference, both are made up of combination of 2 or more elements. The second one, here, that means in compound, there is a fixed proportion of the elements. But in mixtures, there is no fixed proportion of elements. Third one, compounds property is entirely different from the property of the elements. For example, water property is entirely different from hydrogen and oxygen's property. But in the case of mixture, it is not like that. And we can separate the elements by physical method in mixtures. But in the case of compound, it is very difficult to separate the elements. And one more thing, mixtures is a heterogeneous one. But in the case of compound, here it is homogeneous. That means the elements present are mixed uniformly in the solution or solute or whatever may be. Okay, dear ones. So today we have seen the last part of the lesson, compound, its definition and the difference between compounds and mixtures. Hope you understood the topic as well as the lesson.